What is customer journey mapping in SaaS cross-channel reporting? Imagine trying to follow a customer's path through a maze filled with different doors and hallways. Now, picture having a map that shows every turn, every door they open, and every wall they hit. That's what customer journey mapping does in the world of software as a service companies. It helps teams see how customers interact with their product across all the channels they use. Customer journey mapping in SaaS cross-channel reporting is about creating a visual story of every interaction a customer has with a company. This includes their first encounter through ads or social media, their exploration of the product, trying it out, getting onboarded, using features, expanding their usage, and finally renewing or leaving. The goal is to understand the entire experience from start to finish. This way, teams can find out what makes customers happy or frustrated at each step. In the context of SaaS and cross-channel reporting, this process pulls data from many sources like websites, email campaigns, social media, customer support chats, and in-app activity. By combining all this information into one view, teams can see how customers move from one stage to another. They can identify where customers drop off or get stuck, and what actions lead to successful conversions or renewals. Key parts of customer journey mapping include identifying every point where a customer interacts with the brand. This could be clicking an ad, signing up for a trial, contacting support, or using a new feature. It also involves bringing together data from different channels, both numbers like usage rates and qualitative feedback like reviews or support tickets. Creating customer profiles based on behavior and needs helps tailor the journey for different groups. Teams then break down the journey into phases like awareness, consideration, trial, adoption, and renewal. They analyze what customers do, feel, and struggle with at each phase. This helps find friction points, places where customers get confused or leave, and opportunities to improve. For example, if many users drop off during onboarding, the company can create clearer tutorials or offer more support. The main aim is to set clear goals, like reducing churn or speeding up onboarding, and keep updating the map as new data comes in. This ongoing process helps SaaS companies stay aligned across departments. Marketing can see which messages work best, product teams can improve features, and support can proactively help customers before they leave. Using customer journey mapping in cross-channel reporting makes it easier to understand the full experience of each customer. It turns scattered data into a clear story that guides smarter decisions. This approach helps SaaS companies grow by making their services more aligned with what customers want and need at every step of their journey.